Welcome to Lana English Channel. What you will learn today. Today we're teaching you how to learn English online. The smart way, the easy way, the fun way.
You'll learn simple online study routines, how to practice English speaking at home, online tools you can use.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of the Lana English Podcast. I am so happy you're here with us again. Really, it makes our day. Every time you come back, it shows one thing. You're learning consistently, and we are honestly proud of you.
Absolutely. We see you. You're showing up, you're learning English, you're improving. That's something a lot of people talk about but never do. So yeah, high five to you.
And if you're here for the first time, hi! Welcome! We don't bite. Well, Jack might bite sometimes.
What?
Just kidding. But really, if you're new, join our family. Hit the subscribe button. Don't worry, it's free. You won't lose money. You'll only lose, bad English habits.
Exactly. Press subscribe before your finger changes its mind.
All right, let's tell you what today's episode is all about. Let's get started. Grab your tea, coffee, or whatever you drink at this time. Let's learn English together. Part 1. Why learning English online works. Learning English online is one of the best things you can do right now. Why? Because you can learn anytime, anywhere. Morning, night, lunch break, bus, bed, doesn't matter.
Exactly. And the internet gives you everything. Podcasts, videos, websites, apps, dictionaries, free lessons. But you need a system. Without a plan, you just watch random videos and forget everything.
So today, we're giving you a clear plan so you don't waste time. Let's break it down into simple steps. Part 2. The simple online learning routine. Here's a very simple routine you can follow every day. It's online friendly, beginner friendly, and realistic. Step 1. Listen for 10 minutes. A podcast, YouTube video, or short lesson.
Listening improves your ear, your pronunciation, your confidence. Even if you don't understand everything, listen anyway.
Step 2. Repeat for 5 minutes. Repeat sentences out loud.
This is important. Shadowing is one of the best techniques for speaking.
Step 3. Learn 5 new words. Just 5, not 20. Don't torture yourself. Step 4. Do 1 short exercise. Grammar, vocabulary, anything small.
Step 5. Review. Check your notes or re-watch something.
That's it. Simple, effective. You can do it in 20 to 30 minutes. All right, let's talk about tools, websites, and apps that help you learn English.
We recommend simple ones, easy, beginner-friendly.
Useful tools: YouTube, online English dictionaries, English podcasts, free websites for grammar, messaging apps to practice writing, and of course, Lana and English Channel. Come on, you knew I was going to say that.
If you didn't expect that, you don't know Lana yet.
Part 4. Tips for learning English online. Here are some tips that will make your online learning stronger, faster, better. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Don't study for 3 hours. You won't remember anything. Tip 2. Repeat words and sentences. Repetition builds memory. Tip 3. Speak out loud. Talk like no one is watching. Because no one is watching, except maybe your cat.
Cats judge everyone. It's fine.
Tip 4. Use subtitles. English subtitles help a lot. Tip 5. Listen daily. Listening daily is better than studying once a week for 2 hours. Tip 6. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. If you don't make mistakes, you're not trying. Part 5. Building an online study plan. Here's how you create your online study routine. 1. Pick a time. Morning, evening, before sleep, your choice. Just be consistent. 2. Choose one skill. Listening, speaking, reading, or vocabulary. 3. Choose one online source, a podcast episode. 1 YouTube video, 1 short lesson. 4. Repeat what you learn. Repetition is the secret sauce. 5. Review. Go back to older lessons.
Part 6. Motivation Tips. Here are things students forget, but they're important. English takes time. English needs daily practice. Online tools are powerful. Don't be afraid of speaking. Don't compare yourself to others.
And always remember, small steps every day beat big steps once a month.
Part 7. Reminder.
Don't forget to listen to our previous episodes. They help a lot, and many topics connect with what you learned today.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on. Your finger is right there. Just click. Your future English will thank you.
We're at the end of this episode.
Thank you so much for being with us today. We're proud of your progress. Learning English online is totally possible when you have the right plan.
Keep going. Stay consistent. And remember, we're always here to help you learn.
See you in the next episode on the Lana English Podcast. Bye.